Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the noindex signal in Search Console. Open the property and run URL inspection on the exact URL. Once done, read the inspection details to verify it reports excluded by noindex and where that directive is coming from. Then fetch the live page to see current headers and HTML. Make sure to inspect both the canonical URL and any redirect chain. This early diagnosis saves time because you'll target the exact source: meta tag, header, or robots file. Once you know the source, find the noindex at its origin. If it's a meta tag, edit the page template or CMS field and remove or change the robots value. If it's an xrobots tag in HTTP headers, modify server or CDN rules to stop sending noindex for that path. If canonical or robots, TXT mistakenly block crawling, update them accordingly. After each change, clear caches and deploy. You want live content and headers to reflect removal before asking Google to reprocess. Now request reindexing in Search Console so Google revisits your corrected pages. You click URL inspection, run live test, then request indexing. Keep an eye on the coverage report for status changes over 24-72 hours and use performance filters to spot impressions returning. If exclusion persists, troubleshoot. Validate headers again, ensure no redirects point to a noindexed URL, and purge CDN caches. One key tip: temporarily use an alternate test URL or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.